Hi, Sasquatch. How's my pretty boy? Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You want to come out? Oh, you want to be petted, don't you, baby? Yay, Sasquatch. You can come out. Can you come out? Sure you do. There you go. My little klutzy boy. Oh, we got to take good care of Sasquatch so he doesn't fall off. I know, sweetheart. What a good boy you are. Sasquatch is a wonder baby. What a wonder boy you are. Yeah. You step out? Sasquatch. You really should wipe that off my pants, huh? Oops. You don't want to step up on Poopy? Sasquatch, you love you, baby. Pretty Sasquatch. I love my Sasquatch. I do. Yay, Sasquatch. Alright. Alright. Be careful. Pretty bird. Who's my pretty bird? Who's my baby bird? You want the leg without the bird poop? Yeah, I guess you do. Goodness. Aren't we fussy? No? You just want to have your head stitched, huh? That's all you want. There you go, baby. That's my Sasquatch. Love my little Sasquatch. I do. What a good boy you are. Good boy. Hey, Sasquatch. Now is the time for a nut? Would you like a nut? Sure you would. No, you wouldn't. Want my keys? You know you love my keys. Are you a good bird, Sasquatch? I love you, Sasquatch. I love you. Are you going to get mad if I make kissy sounds at you again? You hate that, don't you? Why do you hate it when I make kissy sounds at you? Baby. It means I love you. I love you. It's all right. People are going to make kissy sounds at you, and it's flattering. Really. We love you. We do. We love you, Sasquatch. What are you doing? Are you being cute? Sasquatch. Sasquatch. Well, baby. Sasquatch. I want to scratch your little head. But you're too upset because I made kissy noises, huh? You are such an interesting bird. You are so interesting, Sasquatch. We love that bird. Love that pretty bird. Are you sure I can't pet you again? Are you sure? I promise I won't make those sounds. Can I pet my Sasquatch? Baby boo. Aw, thank you. Thank you, Sasquatch. You forgave me. Little boy. Who loves that pretty bird? Pretty bird. I know. What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie pie? Are you a good bird? Sasquatch is a good bird. Yes, he is. My baby.